Polite conversation. Mastering the art of, I was hoping, with that. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today we're delving into a very useful phrase, I was hoping. We're going to focus on how to use it with the word, that, to make indirect requests and offers, which can make your English sound more polite and sophisticated. First, let's briefly recap the structure of sentences that use, I was hoping. When we say, I was hoping, it's usually followed by an infinitive verb or to verb. For example, I was hoping to see you. I was hoping to talk. This structure helps us express a hope or desire in a polite, less direct way. Now, let's dive into today's main topic, using, I was hoping, with that. When we add that after, I was hoping, we need to follow it with a clause. A clause, remember, is a part of a sentence that contains a subject and a verb. Here's an example. I was hoping that you could help me. In this sentence, you could help me, is the clause. The structure of this sentence becomes, I was hoping that, plus subject plus verb plus object. Using that in this way allows us to add more information to our sentence and makes our speech sound more natural. Let's see a few more examples to understand this better. I was hoping that we could meet for lunch tomorrow. I was hoping that you would consider my proposal. I was hoping that they'd have the new book in stock. In each of these examples, the I was hoping that phrase is used to express a desire or expectation in a polite and indirect way. Now it's your turn to practice. Try forming sentences using I was hoping that, and remember the structure we discussed. You can write them down, say them out loud, or better yet, use them in your daily conversations. Thank you for joining us in exploring the art of using, I was hoping that, in English conversation. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Until our next lesson, keep learning and happy studying.